A very good afternoon, thanks for clicking on to the Sunday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. Up until now it has been a fairly changeable month. We have seen plenty of dry, bright and at times warm weather as well, but in the grand scheme of things it looks as if we are going to see things settling down more, drying out more and becoming sunnier as we go through the middle and latter half of May. We do have, of course, still some frontal systems to deal with. We have had a lot of wet weather on the eastern side of England yesterday. That has transferred to eastern Scotland through the course of this afternoon and today. That system will clear out. High pressure will then move in as we go into the new working week here. But as you can see here, during the course of Monday into Tuesday, we do have high pressure in control. By the time we reach the latter half of Tuesday, we're going to have more low pressure coming in from the west-northwest, increase in cloud, rain and wind as well. But that eventually clears out pretty quickly, and then we see that area of high pressure becoming more established bang over the UK through the middle and even the latter half of the week. Another frontal system pushes in late week, and then as we go into the weekend we're back under high pressure once again. So you can see the overall theme taking place here. While we've got still frontal systems coming in, high pressure is going to be the dominant factor here in all this, and it's going to allow things to dry out, warm up as well. By daytime warm, yes, under the strong mid-May sunshine, but of course at night time clear skies, light winds and a dry air mass. You can see temperatures dropping off quite sharply indeed, especially in rural areas. Another frontal system pushes in late weekend, and then we see high pressure essentially deflect that frontal system that's trying to move in from the Atlantic. It meets that building area of high pressure and gets deflected west-northwest so we're back in that area of high pressure once again. So you get the overall idea. Drier, warmer, brighter, but cooler also at night time is going to be the overall theme as we go forward here. So short and sweet today. Hope you have a great Sunday and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Back again in the next few days with more. Bye for now.